Mailbag. And let's see what we got today. What that is. There's me knife. Try not to cut my fingers off. Just using an old bit of wood as a board. Ah, we know what that is. Me tape. That's me heat tape. What have they put it as? No, hasn't put it as anything. Ah, tips. Not what I was expecting today, but there you go. Tapes and tips. Tapes and soldering iron tips. Ceramic art. Ceramic tips. There you go. Was not expecting that today. And tapes and tips. There you go. All the links as normal. Pressing the wrong button. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and tell your mates about this channel. We've got some interesting things coming up in 2017, so like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah. Cheers.